In this quick video, you'll learn how to replace the battery in your GMC Canyon key fob. You can replace your battery at home. You don't need to bring your device to the dealership, and the whole process will take you under 5 minutes, and you'll only need to spend maybe a couple of bucks just on the battery. The only other thing you will need is just a coin, a regular old coin, to open this thing up. And if you don't have one of these batteries, what you need is a CR2032, which is a coin battery. They call it a 3-volt coin battery. If you don't have one of those lying around or you're not sure where to get one, make sure you go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for a really good price. Now, we open this thing up by just finding on the bottom here, there is a large indentation right along the seam. Sure, this is all closed up. You're just going to put your coin right in there, and you're going to want to use probably a quarter or a nickel. The larger ones will work a little bit better. And you're just going to insert the coin in and twist, which will open up this device. Be forewarned, this does take quite a bit of force, more than most key fobs. I don't know, it's just kind of a weird design here, where you don't want to squeeze, because that's just going to make it more difficult. You actually want to hold this gently, but you will need to turn your coin quite hard. And as you can see, after doing this many times, it has deformed a little bit in that slot. The first or second or third time you do this, it shouldn't be a problem, but you just want to take your time and make sure you are doing this as gently as possible. And again, it's kind of just the design. It's something you got to work with when replacing the battery of this device. So let me show you how to open it. Hold it gently and twist your coin. There we go. You can see how much force that took. I don't know if that's just mine, or maybe it's because mine is a little bit too new, a little bit too old, but regardless, you're going to have to twist pretty hard to get this thing open. And now that was the hard part. The rest of it is really easy. You can just get your fingernail in on the side and lift this thing up. If you don't have nails like me, you can take something like a flathead screwdriver, or even a pen or pencil, toothpick, bobby pin. You just want something that can come in one of these small openings to the side of the battery. And you just want to get under the battery a little bit. Where's that spot we want to go to? Right here. You can just use the corner to pop it out, and there you go. You see how that worked. So if you have a flathead, you want to come in on this side away from this little metal component. You want to look over here and just slide it in and pry up. This does not take so much force. This battery will come out pretty easily. And of course, once you get it out, go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Take your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. So you will just drop that in there and snap it down, positive side down. From here, we just need to reattach these two halves. So line them up, put them together, and then squeeze nice and firmly until the whole thing is back together and secure. And with that, you are finished and good to go. So I hope that video helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments, or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We have tutorials just like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, which is FobBattery.com.